According to the UN, we have lost around 17 million hectares of forest since 2000 and have seen desertification advancing into fertile lands in many areas. About 20% of the planet land area has been declined in productivity with fertility loss. Mangrove wetlands are disappearing. Nature can be restored. Ecosystem restoration will generate benefits for food and water security, climate change mitigation, and adaptation. Since 2018, my team and I are already contributing to our ecosystem restoration, especially the Miombo forest in DR Congo. Becoming a restoration steward will improve my work and reinforce the impact we are already making.